Alright guys, what's up? It's me, Vegeta. Welcome back. Bang, bro. Welcome, bang. Okay. Alright, let's do the daily bias. Alright, what do we have here? As you see, guys, weekly AMDX is done. That was the X, A, manipulation D, right? So we want to see today some lower prices towards these lows, maybe, or yeah, lower, of course, as long we don't inverse this 243 range, this fair value gap right there, which we use a lot of times. I want to see some sort of lower prices, right? If we go to the 15-minute, we see that we have a accumulation followed by manipulation on London, followed by distribution on NY. So we want to see that the market manipulates higher, shows us some sort of reversal pattern, reversal sign to go lower. Alternatively, we can look that the market goes lower. From there, we can see some sort of higher prices once we make some sort of sequential SMT or time is aligning here, and we can look for higher prices towards the 243 range. Right, that's the plan going into the day. Yeah, it looks a bit messy, but once your eyes are know what this all is, you won't get any troubles, right? If you look at the ES, let's open ES. Let's close this. ES has a new name, bro. ES. Alright, yes, it's definitely bearish too. We have this beautiful imbalance right there, right? Look at this big imbalance here. So as long we don't inverse this imbalance, we're still bearish on ES, looking for these lows right there, right? That's last week's low, so we can see some sort of lower price today. In fact, we have pre-NFP. So pre-NFP means we risk less, but I just have one more try on this eval. It's already half blown, and I don't mind if I blow this, right? I don't mind that, and I will buy another one, and the next one I will definitely pass, right? So yeah, that's the plan going into the day, looking for lower prices. These London highs are protected highs for me today. So yeah, let me check the sound. Wait. I think now it's better. Now it should be better. Yeah, it is definitely. Alright. Good. So let's wait for market open, guys. Let's see what the market presents us. And then we can look for these lows right there, right? Our reference right now is the free. So we want to see after the free 1723 or 41 or 59, right? In terms of GB time. Well, let's see. So yeah, now we're waiting. 40 minutes left. Let's see what the market is presenting us.
Because everybody here is so sick. Say my name.
Yeah, yeah.
Say my name.
Si ton steak il est pas blond, c'est pas bon, Ronan. Yeah, yeah.
Say my name.
Ça. 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 Bah, beaucoup de motos.
Maladie.
Bah, beaucoup de motos.
Maladie. Je crois que j'ai une maladie. Je les trouve toutes belles, je les trouve toutes sexy.
Ok. Bah, beaucoup de motos.
Je crois que j'ai une maladie. Je les trouve toutes belles, je les trouve toutes sexy. Maladie.
Ok.
Maladie. Maladie.
Ok.
Maladie.
Beaucoup de motos.
Maladie. 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 Je crois que j'ai une maladie. Je les trouve toutes belles, je les trouve toutes sexy. Oh my baby, mets ta plus belle robe. Ce soir c'est samedi, c'est ça la vie. On va faire du shopping si t'es gentil. Me prends pas pour un petit, me prends pas pour un petit. Elle a les cheveux blonds. Mon bébé c'est la plus belle. C'est mon bijou, c'est mon bonbon, mon bonbon. Elle a les cheveux blonds. Mon bébé c'est la plus belle. C'est mon bijou, c'est mon bonbon, mon bonbon. Maladie.
Bah, beaucoup de motos.
Maladie.
Ok.
Je crois que j'ai une maladie. Je les trouve toutes belles, je les trouve toutes sexy.
Ok. Bah, beaucoup de motos.
Je crois que j'ai une maladie. Je les trouve toutes belles, je les trouve toutes sexy. Maladie.
Ok.
Maladie.
Bah, beaucoup de motos.
Maladie. 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 Elle a les cheveux blancs. Mon bébé c'est la plus belle. C'est mon bijou, c'est mon bonbon, mon bonbon. Elle a les cheveux blancs. Mon bébé c'est la plus belle. C'est mon bijou, c'est mon bonbon, mon bonbon. Maladie. Maladie, maladie. T'es toujours dans ma vie que je sois loué. Même l'estomac noué. Tout est là quand je prenais le bus, maintenant je t'aime de plus en plus. T'es pas comme celle que j'essuyais, celle sur qui je m'essuyais. Tout est là quand je prenais le bus, maintenant je t'aime de plus en plus. Maladie, maladie, c'est ya. Maintenant je t'aime de plus en plus. Maladie, maladie, c'est ya. Maintenant je t'aime de plus en plus. Maladie, maladie, c'est ya.
Alright. So now it's 30 seconds to market open. We created a 23 high right there. Now which high is that? That's a 20. It's not a valid GB path number. What do we have here? 23 too. So I expect some sort of manipulation higher. Right. If he is taking out London Q3, that would be beautiful. I would like that. Into open, higher price. Alright, we manipulate lower. He is creating these equal highs. 23 to 29.35 could be possible. So we'll see, right? We are below ultra opens. Ultra opens are here. Don't forget that we're still in all-time highs, right? Being patient, guys. That's important.
La tête sur les épaules, pas comme c'est dans le train. Et si la lumière brille,
that open was kinda ass.
Il faudra prier Dieu pour que ce soit pas le train.
I would like that we take these lows at 35. These lows or these highs at 35.
La confiance n'empêche pas le contrôle, demande où qu'on est. Donc tu sais qu'on a compté, qu'on compte et qu'on va raconter.
creating the 29 low right there. If ES takes London Q3 highs, that would be sequential SMT. I would like that. Let me see the 15 second. I like that. Right, we created these lows at 29, generating even more liquidity to the downside. But don't forget, watch where London Q3 is, and watch on ES where London Q3 is. So if you could push higher with ES taking out these highs, that would be so fucking beautiful at 35. That would be 29.35 algo path right there. Watch how we have 23.29, making the CSD beautiful. Let me mark on ES these equal highs. Beautiful. Taking out these highs. I would like. Now we hit this fractal level right here. We're at 34, so close to London highs. Okay, we hit the fractal level. If we get that CSD right here. I want to see the close. I like this trade. $35 high. Beautiful idea. Yes, it was near to these London highs. Still a beautiful idea. I like that idea. I would love to see speed now higher. The fact that ES didn't take out London highs is kinda sus. But I'm very confident in this trade. Let's see what the market is presenting us, right? Our 35 high, low. I don't want the 35 stopping price action. Yeah, I think we can take this out. Because we just have one trade left, right? I don't want the market to close above here. Yes, taking out London highs. So now we should be ready to go lower. Mm-hmm. 35 stopping the price action right there. Kinda sus. Yeah, we blew it. I'm fine with that. In my eyes, that trade was valid. We get that CSD. Watch out, this is a 37. So if I would have one more left, I would enter the short right there. Like this. The fact that ES was so near to these London highs was kinda sus, yes. But for me, the fact that we hit 243 range with GB time was reason enough to take that short. I kinda got burned, but yeah, that's part of the game, right? So if we close below this candle right there, we could still sell. Like this. It's still a 35 right there. I like that idea. You could sell right now too, but I will wait for that order block.
Shout out to my man Mother Joe, because everybody here is so sick. Say my name.
Yeah, yeah.
Say my name.
Si ton steak il est pas blond, c'est pas bon, Renaud. Yeah, yeah.
Say my name.
Ça. 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 Bah, beaucoup de motos.
Yeah, you can short right here. Valid as hell. Wanna see that aggressive CST right here. After that, shorts are really beautiful. After that rejection candle, you can really take the trade. Let's see how it closes. Right. Holy shit. Alright, I will wait for a retrace into this order block. As you see, guys, it's kind of worked, but yeah. So now we get the retrace. Here could be our entry. Just like this. Just like this. Taking these lows. That will be your trade right now. To these lows. Ah, kinda got burned, bro. That will be a winning trade, right? As I said, if I would have a second chance right there, I would enter immediately. Watch what for a trade that was. That was right here. Stop loss roundabout here. That would be a 1 to 4. You get burned one time, but you have a second chance right here to enter the trade. As I said, I will not mind it if I take a L here, but it's beautiful how 29 to 35 worked into our POI. So that trade was definitely valid for me. The fact that ES did not take out London highs was maybe a bit sus, but still the trade is valid. You could take some sort like this. 41, be cautious of 41. 41 can make a swing high because 41, 15, 42 is 15 plus 42 equals 57, which is a 56 right there. So 43, 58 makes that. So if 41 or 42 makes the reversal, be cautious, because that would be 35 to 47, 53, 56. But as you see, 933 took this low, so there's no valid path right now until 47. Right? But watch how beautiful this was, bro. That was just so, you could enter already here, right? If you're stopped round about here, that would be 1 to 2, that would be 1 to 288, targeting 1 to 4, possible. So that's really crazy, guys. That trade was beautiful as hell. I like pre-NFP days. Watch how beautiful that is. So we have a 35 now. We can come into our POI with a 47.56 to take longs, right? Beautiful work right there. Creating micro sequential SMT. That's time to partial. Wow. Bro, wow, wow, wow. That was really beautiful. That was really beautiful. Wow. As I said, if I would have a second chance, I would enter right away here. Taking these shorts, it's still valid. But as you know, I don't have one, so yeah, happens. Beautiful. We have right now 46. This is 45, which is a 47, but I would not enter right there. I would not enter right there. Even though we have sequential SMT and so on, I would wait for 47. But to be honest, this right now is not valid because we didn't hit our POI. We did not hit our POI, so we want to wait the market to come lower, show us some support signs here to go higher. But beautifully tape, we did that short. That was kinda hard, but still played out. Wow, watch how we have this 47 right there, creating some sort of lower price. So I want to see 56 taking out these lows for higher prices than possible. Beautiful. Another reason why I created this YouTube channel is to not be emotional, right? That's another reason I created this YouTube channel. And do we have a live chat? Yeah, nothing right there. So we have a 44, 45 right there, right? 47. So if you get a 56 at these highs or a 50, you can short right there. What is that? That's a 48 plus minus is 50. You can take this short right here. Definitely. Let me go into 15 seconds. So if we inverse this one, if we inverse this one, you could definitely enter this trade. Beautiful. Let's see how it closes. Good close, entry right there. Targeting lower prices could be possible, but the fact that we didn't close below the fair value gap is kind of sus. We still made a CSD. Yeah, possible trade just like that. 47 to 50, targeting these lows and so on. We closed below it. That's beautiful. I want to see getting used as resistance. Beautiful reaction off of that. Don't forget we have still this sequential SMT right here. I don't like the reaction. Let me see the 15-second. 50 low. Watch how 50 stopped the algo. But yeah, the trade is like this. You could take it. I don't like it. I don't like 47 to 50. I want to see it every time 56 when 47 prints. But in terms of algo path, that is definitely a valid trade like that, right? All right. This trade was valid if you take shorts to these lows. Don't forget that we have a 47 here. Oh, micro sequential I sent you right there. Now we don't have it right now. Need to wait. But the fact 47 to 50, I don't like that. I want to wait for 47 to 56 at least. $52 right there, which is a 53, 47 to 53. Do we have a micro sequential right there? No, we don't. Creating equalize there. This short is kind of sus. Creating 53 high. 47 to 53. I want to see a 56 if we have 47 highs. 47 lows, 56 highs. That's what I want to see. But still 53 printed. 53 printed. Now keep an eye on 56. If 56 makes a low, that would be kinda sus. It didn't close below this. Keep an eye on 56. So what we see now, 9:30 opens, creating sell liquidity with a 29 here at these lows, with a 35 at these highs. Got stopped out right there. Why did I get stopped out? It's easy to explain. ES was near to these London highs, so market took out London highs, created again a 35, so that would be my re-entry right there. That would be a 1 to 5. You see that? So yeah, that was kind of the idea behind this trade. And then we went lower, not into our POI, so that trade is not valid for us. But we went lower, created a 45, which is with 1 or 2 minute a buffer for 47, went higher, right into where? Into 53. 53 created that swing high and went lower into 54. 54 is a 56, right, which went higher. So now we have a 44 low, so we can 44 or 47, we can expect some sort of retracement at 3.7 or 11.14 would be beautiful. If we go higher, take out these highs again for 11.14, that would be kind of beautiful. I'm just tape reading right now. Yeah, at this point we need to wait. So yeah, I don't have too much to say right now. Right now we're just consolidating.
Just the same. Her friends all call her for advice, and she puts her pride up for sacrifice. She works too hard, needs paradise, and I'm sure I can take you there.
53 highs. 11 lows will be beautiful. Yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. I will close my stream. If you get a 11 low there, you could re-enter. But yeah, that was it for today. It's pre-NFP, and as I said, I don't mind that I blew this eval, but the next one will be definitely passed. So see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.